close to finish. You guys are so good. I almost didn't need to call the second 2 times there. All right, so our third figure. Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do is, if everybody faces your partner, I'm gonna teach this in 2 different ways. So.